Have you ever wished for something so deeply, so dearly, that you could almost feel it in your heart before it even happened? Well, in a quiet little town, nestled between green hills and golden meadows, there lived a gentle-hearted girl named Luna. Luna loved to plant things, not just seeds and flowers, but hopes and dreams. She believed that when you plant something with love and care for it with all your heart, something beautiful always grows. One bright spring morning, Luna skipped into her backyard with a basket full of seeds. The sun warmed her cheeks, and the breeze carried the scent of new beginnings. She knelt down, dug tiny holes in the soft earth, and gently placed each seed inside. One by one, she whispered to them, "Grow strong, bloom bright, I believe in you." Then she watered them with her shiny silver watering can, hummed her favorite tune, and waited. Every day, Luna returned to her garden. She gave it sunshine. She gave it water. She even sang lullabies to the soil. But day after day, the ground stayed the same. No sprouts, no flowers, just stillness. One morning, she knelt beside the beds and whispered, "Why aren't you growing? I did everything right." The garden didn't answer. It just stayed silent. As time passed, Luna's hope began to fade. She stared out her window, her heart sinking. Maybe God forgot about my garden. Maybe the seeds didn't listen. Maybe I wasn't meant to grow anything at all. She stopped singing, she stopped checking, and slowly, she stopped believing. That night, Luna had a dream. In her sleep, she saw a glowing garden. Flowers in every color, shimmering leaves dancing in the wind. It was alive, radiant, full of light. And then, a soft, loving voice echoed through the air. "Not all growth can be seen. Some miracles take time. Be patient, little one. Even when the soil looks still, I am working underneath." Luna woke up with tears in her eyes, but this time, they were happy ones. She felt a warmth in her chest, tiny but strong, like a hug from heaven. The next morning, the sunlight poured gently over her garden. Luna stepped outside and gasped. There, peeking through the soil, was a tiny green sprout. Her eyes widened, then another sprout, and another. She clapped her hands, laughed, twirled in joy. Her garden hadn't forgotten her. Her prayers hadn't gone unheard. They were growing, in God's perfect time. Weeks passed. The sprouts grew tall, stems turned into buds. Buds blossomed into a rainbow of flowers. Sunflowers, bluebells, daisies, marigolds. Luna danced through the blooms, singing once again, and with hands clasped and eyes to the sky, she whispered with joy, "Thank you, God. You were listening, even when I couldn't see." Let's learn the words Luna discovered on her journey. Sprout, a tiny plant that has just started growing. It's the first little green shoot that pops out of the soil. Miracle, something amazing that feels like it came from God, like when something wonderful happens, even when you didn't expect it. Faith, believing in something even when you can't see it, like trusting a flower will bloom, even when the ground looks empty. Still, quiet and unmoving, like a garden that seems silent but is working underneath. Bloom, when a flower fully opens and shows its beauty, it's when all the waiting turns into something colorful and amazing. Sometimes it feels like nothing is changing, like your dreams are silent, or your prayers are floating into the sky with no answer. But just like seeds, our hopes take time to grow. And even in silence, even in stillness, God is working. So don't give up. Don't stop believing. Water your dreams, sing to your hopes, and trust. Because what you plant with love will bloom in its season. And God's timing? It's always, always perfect. Have you ever waited for something really special? Maybe something you prayed for? Tell us your story in the comments. We'd love to hear how you kept your faith. And don't miss our next magical story, Eli and the Sky Lantern, Learning to Let Go and Trust. Subscribe for more stories that grow your heart, your faith, and your dreams.